guys, my name is Becca and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the January 2020 Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. If you don't know what the Sew Sampler Box is, you can find out more details in the description box below. But in a nutshell, it is a monthly sewing subscription box that features notions, patterns, and of course, fabric. Let's dive in and see what Fat Quarter Shop sent out this month. Here's the package. Let's cut it open. Ooh, I can't wait till you can hear. The inside of their boxes always have one of these cards that tells you what the theme for the box is, and it kind of hides the goodies behind it. The card this month says that the theme is farm life, and on the back of that card is a coupon code for $10 off of a purchase of $30 or more on jelly rolls and honey buns. All right. We always get a pamphlet that tells us all of the items that are inside and their retail value. And because I can't read up close with my glasses on, we're going to put those on top of my head. Let's see what we have today. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is the fabric. This is the Flower Garden half honey bun. So it is half of a honey bun. Each one of those strips of fabric are 1.5 inches by width of fabric. And instead of being the usual 40 strips or 42 strips, there's probably 20 or 21. The pamphlet actually says this is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. It's so little, tiny, and petite. It's cute. This half honey bun retails for $13.99. I am not going to open up this honey bun to show you all the fabric in here because quite honestly, they're only 1.5 inch strips. So you're not really going to see a good print from the line. And once you unroll these, you never get them back. So if you want to see what the Flower Garden fabric line by Lizzie McRae from Moda Fabrics looks like, you can follow the link in the description box below. It'll pull up the listing at Fat Quarter Shop and you can see the image for the fabric line. It's upside down. The next item we have in the box is a 3.5 inch by 6.5 inch Creative Grids ruler. I love Creative Grids rulers, so I'm really happy to get this. But these are a little pricey. I do think that they're worth the value though. They have the retail value of this at $12.99, and this is honestly just perfect. I love it. I'll let my dog out. Now he's upstairs scratching. He wants in. Hang tight. Let the dog in and get a soda for me. Okay, the next item we have in the box is a Gingham on the Go project bag. This is what it looks like. It's actually mesh. It's see-through. So if I put my hand down in here, I don't know if you can kind of see, but it's not fabric. It's literally mesh. That's kind of cool. And it's got a cute little leather tag on the side that has It's Sew Emma embossed on it. And if you like the way gingham looks, like me, because I do, you should check out my Gingham Quilt Sew Along series. I did a 5-part video series that walked you through making a quilt top that looks like this. It says that this bag is worth $8.48, and they are available in sets of 3, but I don't know if the set of 3 is $8.48 or just the one is $8.48. Ooh, you know what I can use this for? My planner pens. I've been going to make a bag, so I'll probably use this for that. Okay, the next item we have is a Sew Sampler first, which means Sew Sampler members get this first, and it will eventually be sold on Fat Quarter Shop's website. It is a quilting journal with enough room to hold 50 project sheets inside. I will show you the layout inside of this in just a minute. The retail value in the pamphlet says that this is $13.98. However, when you look at the back, you can see the It's Sew Emma logo here, so you know that this is custom made for Fat Quarter Shop, but the price above that barcode actually says $14.95. And the reason why I'm bringing that up is because if you're going to look for this on their website, you might not see it for $13.98. You might see it for $14.95. All right, let's take a look at the inside of this journal. This is the cover, and it's just a cardstock cover, so it's not going to hold up to a lot of damage. This is the title page. The paper is a nice quality paper. It is nice and thick, but it is not premium paper like you would get in an Erin Condren planner or something like that. I'm just highlighting that only because I want you to know that I would not trust markers to this. I would stick to pens, gel pens, friction pens, colored pencils, something like that. I don't think that you'll get any ghosting, which is just being able to see the printing on the backside. And I really don't think you're going to get any bleeding if you use those instruments. The next thing you have is your first layout, and this is just an index of your quilting project list. And then you have a project sheet. You have 50 of them. Each one has a layout for 2, and each project sheet looks like this. So you have room for the pattern name, the pattern designer, who it's made for, the start and end date, the fabric you use, the quilt size, block details, and then some boxes down there for notes, supplies, and time tracker. At the back, there is a spread for my wish list, and this is just some extra lined paper that you could put notes in. It looks like there's 2 of those pages. There's one layout for that. There's another layout for my block of the months, and you've got room for 16. And then you've got a note section, 2 pages for notes, just lined paper, and then 1 more page of lined paper. So that's the quilting journal from It's Sew Emma. I like this. I'm going to use it probably. Oh, look, and it matches my bag. The next item we have is our pattern, which retails for $9.98. It is the picture window quilt pattern. This is exclusively for the Sew Sampler Box, so I don't know that you'll be able to buy this on Fat Quarter Shop's website. It does have instructions to make a wall hanging version, which will measure 33.5 by 40.5 inches, as well as a lap version, which will measure 54.5 by 61.5 inches. Their patterns are always full color illustrations inside, very easy to read, and printed on high quality premium paper. So I really like getting their patterns. The last item we have in the box is our recipe for the block for their sew along that goes into the Sew Sampler box. This year we are doing a Goodness Grows quilt along designed by Corey Yoder. And this month we have block number 10, which is identified right there on the front. You can pick up the recipe cards for these without being a Sew Sampler member by visiting Fat Quarter Shop's website, and each card will cost you $4.98, and it'll have all of the instructions in here for how to put that block together. I have not been doing this. Looking through the pamphlet, the retail value for everything that we received adds up to $60.40, which is a huge cost savings for this box. Super happy to see that the value here is around the $60 mark for something that I paid less than $30 for. The Sew Sampler box is a good deal, and it's honestly very popular. Right now it's waitlisted, so unfortunately you won't be able to sign up as of January 2020, but you can join their wait list and add your name to that list, and as spots become available, they will reach out to you and see if you are interested in receiving a box. That's everything I have for you today, guys. Thank you for opening the Sew Sampler box with me. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.